multiplication table of 2. Today we will learn what is a multiplication table and the importance of memorizing the tables.
Riyansh, I brought laddus for you. Oh wow, but one laddu isn't good enough. You should have brought at least 2 laddus. Why don't you just open the box? Oh wow, this is one box. This is amazing. But why are you distributing laddus? My uncle has opened a sweet shop. He gave me 10 boxes of laddus to distribute to teachers and friends.
10 boxes? This means you have got a lot of laddus.
Yes, lots of laddus.
How many laddus in total?
I can tell you only after I count them.
Okay, let's count them. Where are they?
In the class.
Then let's go there.
Now look, there are 10 boxes. Each box has 2 laddus. So let's count the laddus in the boxes. Okay, each box has 2 laddus. To know the laddus in 2 boxes, we have to add 2 times. So the answer is 4,
which means there are 4 laddus in 2 boxes.
To know how many laddus are there in 3 boxes, we have to add 2 3 times. After adding 2 3 times, the answer we get is 6.
To know the number of laddus in 4 boxes, we have to add 2 4 times. After adding 2 4 times, the answer is 8.
Riyansh and Vandana, what are you counting? Madam, there are 2 laddus in each these boxes. We are trying to find the total number of laddus in these boxes.
That is very easy. Now Vandana, tell me how many boxes of laddus are there?
We have a total of 10 boxes.
That means you have a total of 20 laddus. How could you find out so soon, madam? We have been counting for a very long time. It's easy. I have multiplied 2 with the number of boxes. So I got to know that there are 20 laddus in 10 boxes.
But why did you multiply? We are adding them together to find the total number of laddus.
See, Vandana, to know the number of laddus in 4 boxes, you have added 2 4 times. Instead of this, you can multiply 2 by 4. Multiplying 2 4 times means adding 2 4 times. That is why both answers are the same, which is 8. That means if you multiply 2 by 10, will the answer be the same if you add 2 10 times? Yes, Riyansh. In the same way, you can convert the above additions into multiplication. If you want to find the laddus in 3 boxes, multiply 2 by 3. Similarly, for 2 boxes, multiply 2 by 2. And to find the laddus in 1 box, multiply 2 by 1. That means we don't need to add them. No, for 5 to 10, you should try to find the result yourself and check. Then to find the laddus in 5 boxes, we will multiply 2 by 5. Here number of laddus is 2 and number of boxes is 5. Then we can find that there will be 10 laddus in 5 boxes. Number of laddus in 6 boxes will be 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12. Number of laddus in 7 boxes will be 2 multiplied by 7, that is 14. Number of laddus in 8 boxes will be 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. In 9 boxes, it will be 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18. And the number of laddus in 10 boxes will be 2 multiplied by 10, which comes to 20. It is easier to multiply 2 numbers than adding the same number again and again. Yes, that is why it is very important to memorize the tables. Otherwise, you have to use a pen and paper even for simple calculations. What are tables? The list obtained when you multiply a number by 1 to 10, it is called the multiplication table of that number. Just like you have multiplied 2 by 1 to 10 and obtained this list. This is the multiplication table of 2.
Do we need to memorize it?
Yes, because it will be very useful for you. Like me, you too will be able to calculate without using a pen and paper. We had also memorized it. And it is so much fun to memorize them because you can memorize them in the form of a song. We remember the table of 2 like this. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Today we have learned that the list obtained when we multiply a number by 1 to 10, it is called the multiplication table of that number. And we can do calculations without a pen and paper if we memorize tables.